Hey everyone, my name is Darpin Coley, and this is my entry for the Ford Smart Vehicle Connectivity Challenge. My service is called GarageBuddy, and it's an easy-to-use, mobile-friendly web application that allows users to merge their smart home with their Ford vehicle. For this project, users must have a Ford Internet-connected vehicle, as well as a MyQ Smart Garage Hub. These are fairly inexpensive and can be found on Amazon for less than $25. This device will allow us to open and close the garage using MyQ's APIs. We will use the car's location as well as its ignition status to intelligently open and close your garage when needed. And we'll talk a little more about that later in the video. So let's get started. So we're greeted with a GarageBuddy sign-in page. So let's go ahead and make a new account. And now we're going to be brought to the login page. So we'll log in. And now here's our dashboard. You'll see we have a card for our vehicle, a card for our garages, and a third card which allows us to set the location of our garage. So let's first log into our Ford account and provide the VIN. Once we've done that, that information will be saved to a database and we will see the details about that car. So we have a 2019 Ford Edge with front wheel drive and it's gas powered. This information is brought in by an NHTSA API to make it easily scalable to cars other than just Fords. But for right now, this application only works with Ford vehicles. Now that our vehicle is saved, we can go ahead and link our MyQ account. This will list out all the garage devices found on that account. For me, I only have one, but if there are multiple, they will show up in a table here. We can go ahead and select the garage that we want to make use of and save that garage. And finally, we need to mark the location of that garage. So we'll zoom into the map. And we'll find our garage on the map. And what we want to do is we want to place a marker inside of the garage. So right about here. And you'll see now we get this nice red circle around that house. So essentially, what's going to happen is if the vehicle comes into this radius, the garage will automatically open up without the user having to touch anything. If the car leaves this radius, the garage will ensure that it is closed. And if a user is seated in their vehicle inside of the garage and they turn the car on, the garage will also automatically open up. And so we will talk a little bit more about these scenarios in the demo. And we'll go ahead and save the location. Once you save the location, there's reverse geolocation that will tell us exactly what address we selected. So once we've finished out filling out the form, we can click on Save All. And this info is sent to a Python script which runs constantly throughout the day to determine when the garage needs to be closed or open. This script will not be running for judging since I do incur charges for it, but this demo will show you its capabilities. So now we're here at the garage. I am manually going to tell the Python script that the car is located inside the garage, and I will mimic a start engine command. And that's done. and you'll see the garage is now opened. Now I will set the location just outside of the radius. And the garage is closed. Finally, I'll set the location just entering the radius, and the garage will open again. That's done. So here you have it, and this could just be the beginning. We can automatically turn on and off lights, air conditioning, heat, and other appliances as soon as the vehicle has left or arrived at a home. Thank you, Ford, for creating this challenge, and I had a great time participating.